Hello friends, and welcome to the special show of AI 2Z, where we will talk about this week's AI updates. So, let's get started. But before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any notifications. Hello everyone. Today we're talking about a major technology initiative from Reliance Jio, announced at their 48th annual general meeting. It's called the Digital Twin, a technology that could revolutionize broadband connectivity across India. So let's dive in and understand what Digital Twin is, how it works, and what benefits it brings to users like you and me. First things first, what exactly is a digital twin? A digital twin is a virtual 3D model or digital map of Jio's physical network and infrastructure. In simple terms, it's a digital copy of the entire broadband network, including all the cables, fiber lines, and other hardware components. Jio developed this technology so their engineers and technicians don't have to visit physical sites every time to check or plan the network. Instead, they can use this digital version to plan installations and maintenance remotely and efficiently. How does this digital twin actually work? When a customer places an order for a Jio broadband connection, the Jio team uses this digital model to analyze the network at that location. They can see where fiber cables have already reached, which new connections are possible, and where infrastructure upgrades might be needed. Earlier, engineers had to visit sites physically, which took a lot of time and resources. But with the digital twin, all this can be done virtually and much faster. This speeds up the whole process of installation and activation dramatically. Now let's talk about the benefits of this system. The biggest benefit is speed. According to Jio, with digital twin, they can activate broadband connections within just 24 hours. Something that used to take several days before. The second benefit is efficiency. With remote planning, engineers get a better understanding of the entire network without physically visiting each location. This reduces errors and ensures smoother service delivery. The third benefit is cost saving. Fewer physical site visits mean lower operational costs, and these savings can translate into better prices and services for customers. Digital twin is a huge advantage for Jio as well. As broadband demand grows rapidly across India, and with 5G rollouts underway, upgrading and expanding network infrastructure quickly and efficiently is vital. Digital twin gives Jio a smart tool to reach new areas faster and with more reliability. Moreover, digital twin can also be used for maintenance and troubleshooting. When there is a network issue, engineers can use the digital twin to quickly identify the root cause and fix problems faster than before. To sum it up, Jio's digital twin is a futuristic technology that will make broadband connectivity faster, better, and more reliable across India. It's a major step forward in building the country's digital infrastructure. Microsoft has officially introduced its very first in-house artificial intelligence models, marking a bold new chapter in the company's AI journey. These models are designed to power their Copilot services and compete directly with leading AI systems like OpenAI's GPT-5. Until now, Microsoft has primarily relied on partnerships with external AI developers, most notably OpenAI, to integrate advanced language models into its products. With the launch of these new models, named MI Voice 1 and MI 1 Preview, Microsoft is moving toward building and refining AI technology on its own terms. Let's start with MI Voice 1. This model focuses on fast, high-quality speech generation. Impressively, it can generate an entire minute of audio in less than a second using just one GPU. This makes it incredibly efficient for real-time applications. Microsoft is already using MI Voice 1 in features like Copilot Daily, which delivers AI-narrated news updates, and in podcast-style AI conversations designed to break down complex subjects into easy-to-understand discussions. Next is MI 1 Preview. This model excels at understanding and following complex instructions, answering conversational queries, and generating human-like responses. Currently, it is being tested in limited applications and evaluated publicly through AI benchmarking platforms to gauge its capabilities. According to Microsoft's AI leadership, these models are not just experiments. They're designed to be practical digital assistants tailored to real-world use cases. The goal is to create AI companions that can assist users throughout their day, whether that's by providing helpful information, automating tasks, or enhancing creativity. By developing its own AI models, Microsoft is aiming to reduce dependency on external providers, giving it greater control over the technology and its applications. This strategic move allows the company to better customize AI features across its ecosystem, from Windows and Office to Azure cloud services. Of course, Microsoft will continue to incorporate OpenAI's GPT-5 across many of its platforms, leveraging the best of both worlds, external innovation alongside its growing in-house expertise. In summary, Microsoft's debut of the MAI models is a significant milestone in the company's quest to lead the future of AI. By investing heavily in its own technology, Microsoft is positioning itself to shape how AI evolves and how people interact with intelligent machines daily. As AI continues to transform technology and society, Microsoft's new models represent a commitment to innovation, performance, and user-centric design. We can expect to see these AI advancements integrated into more products and services, empowering users with smarter, faster, and more intuitive digital experiences. Greetings! In major tech news today, OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, is entering the job market with a bold new move that could reshape how professionals connect with employers. OpenAI has unveiled plans for the OpenAI Jobs platform, a new AI-powered hiring service expected to launch by mid-2026. According to Simo, OpenAI's CEO of applications, the platform will use AI to help find the perfect matches between employer needs and worker capabilities. It will even feature special tracks tailored for small businesses and local governments, helping them access AI talent more effectively. This puts OpenAI in direct competition with LinkedIn, an online professional networking giant that's owned by Microsoft. Interestingly, also OpenAI's biggest backer, and co-founded by Reid Hoffman, one of OpenAI's early investors. But OpenAI isn't stopping over there. Through its OpenAI Academy, the company plans to roll out AI fluency certifications, with a pilot set to begin later this year and a goal to certify 10 million Americans by 2030, in collaboration with Walmart. This effort aligns with broader government initiatives. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman, along with other tech leaders, is expected to meet with the White House to discuss how to expand AI literacy nationwide. In acknowledging the challenges ahead, Simo referenced warnings from industry figures, like Anthropic's CEO, who predicts AI may eliminate up to 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs by 2030. Yet she emphasized that OpenAI's role is to help workers adapt by equipping them with the skills and connections to thrive in the AI-powered job market. Summing up, OpenAI is evolving beyond its chatbot roots with a strategic foray into recruitment and education. The OpenAI Jobs platform, slated for mid-2026, aims to simplify job matching and upskill the workforce through AI certification. India is a country of many languages. 1,600 mother tongues are spoken across its vast geography. But among these, some of the most endangered and least digitized are the languages of its indigenous tribes. Now, in a historic movie, the government of India has launched an AI-powered initiative to preserve and revitalize these fading voices. It's called Adivani, a beta mobile application designed to translate, document, and promote tribal languages using artificial intelligence. According to the 2011 census, India has over 461 tribal languages and at least 71 distinct tribal mother tongues. But many are on the brink of extinction. In fact, the UNESCO Atlas of the World's Languages in Danger lists 42 Indian tribal languages as critically endangered. What does that mean? It means entire cultures, oral traditions, stories, and knowledge systems are at risk of being lost forever. Languages like Toto, Birhor, and Raji, once passed down through generations, are now spoken by only a few hundred people, or less. This is not just a linguistic loss, it's a cultural one. To address this, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs has rolled out Adivani, an AI-based language translation app, still in its beta phase. Adivani can currently translate between Hindi or English and several tribal languages, and vice versa. At launch, it supports 4 tribal languages: Bhili, Gondi, Santali, and Mundari. Soon, more languages will be added. The app was trained using thousands of real-world examples, stories, folk songs, and textbooks, gathered from over 250 native speakers, educators, and community elders. These contributors helped create accurate dictionaries, grammar guides, many using original tribal scripts. Adivani also includes primers, introductory materials for learning tribal languages, developed by NCERT and the Central Institute of Indian Languages. But why does this matter? Because language is accessible. When tribal children can learn in their own language, they stay in school longer. When government schemes and health messages are translated accurately, communities benefit directly. Adivani even includes OCR, or optical character recognition, which means it can read printed tribal language texts and digitize them. This could play a key role in everything from healthcare outreach to implementing rural development programs in tribal regions. With Adivani, the government is taking a critical step toward preserving our tribal linguistic heritage before it's too late, because every language lost is a world lost, and every voice preserved is a culture kept alive. In today's news, Apple is grappling with a growing brain drain in its artificial intelligence ranks. In a major talent exodus, 4 key researchers have packed their bags and jumped ship, heading to Meta, OpenAI, and Anthropic. Leading the departures is Jian Zhang, Apple's lead AI researcher in robotics. After a decade at the company, he's off to Meta's robotics studio as of September 2nd, 2025. This move comes amid a string of high-profile exits from Apple's AI division. But wait, that's not all. 3 other senior members from Apple's foundation models team have also exited. John Peebles and Nandu are now at OpenAI, and Zhao is heading to Anthropic. These departures are raising serious warning flags. Apple's AI strategy, especially its foundational models and robotics ambitions, could face delays and disruptions. Analysts point to morale issues, compensation gaps, and internal debates on whether to rely on homegrown models or partner externally with the likes of OpenAI and Google. For Apple, this exodus may be more than just a personnel shift. It could represent a pivotal moment in the fierce AI race. Will Apple regroup and stay competitive, or will rivals pull further ahead? Only time will tell.